Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. For today's video ay magluluto tayo ng masarap na ulam para sa ating dinner. Masarap special sinigang na manok with fresh gulay. Magpakulo ng water, mag-add ng lemongrass, maraming sibuyas, loya, kamatis, konting bawang, konting green chili, and salt and pepper to taste. Continue lang ang ating pagpapakulo sa ating ginagawang sabaw hanggang maging aromatic ito. Pag yamin ang ating ginagawang sabaw, saka natin lalagay ang ating fresh chicken. Fresh from the farm, cut into medium size. And meron pa tayong masarap na nilagang kamote and pretong fish. Gawa tayo ng ating cold drinks. Meron tayong avocado smoothie with assorted nuts. Yung ating avocado, assorted nuts, cashew nuts, pistachio nuts, and almonds. Yung ating tamar or dates, lagad pa tayo ng ating oats, fresh milk, blended well, at meron na tayong napakasarap, very healthy smoothie avocado with assorted nuts. Gawa tayo ng ating hot drinks. Meron tayong onion tea, slice of onion, loya, konting bawang, 5 pirasong clove, and yung ating tea seed. Papakulo lang tayo at meron na tayong masarap na hot drinks. Mag-add lang tayo ng ating fresh mint leaf. Almost ready na ng ating masarap special sinigang na manok. Mag-add tayo ng ating sinigang mix. Fresh gulay, meron tayong okra, yung green leafy vegetable na yan. Masustansya yan, roka ang tawag dyan. I-add natin ng ating okra. At meron pa tayong alugbati. Antayin lang nating maluto ang ating mga gulay at ready na ito. Mag-ready tayo ng lagayan, kakain tayo ng masarap na dinner. Luto ng ating special sinigang na manok with fresh gulay. Ang sarap nito guys. And masustansya pa ito. Tingin pa lang ay napakayami na ng ating masarap na sinigang na manok. Para sa ating cold drinks, yung ating avocado smoothie with assorted nuts, pistachio nuts, cashew nuts, and almonds. At meron pa itong tamar or dates. Yummy and healthy ito guys. At meron pa tayong fresh squeezed orange juice. Very refreshing ang ating orange juice. Hot drinks, yung ating onion tea with fresh mint leaf. And yung ating boiled kamote. Ang sarap din ng ating kamote guys. At nag-quick rib ako nito. Masarap na pritong fish tuna. Napakasarap din nito. Kain tayo guys for masarap na dinner. Mapaparami tayo ng kain nito. Masasarap ang ating food. Let's enjoy the food. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Ingat pa.